morning, children. Now, SFO division workbook 3, block 23, road transport. Again, I will show you. Please learn everything and write everything. Now, children, block 23, classwork. Classwork. Question 2. How have highways helped our travel? Question 3. Why do we use animals for transport? From class. Now page 35 from workbook S1. First question. What type of roads do you see in the picture? Fill in the blanks that you have to do. And question 3, write about a problem that cement roads have and mud roads don't. From reader, page number 146, match the following. This match the following, I will mix it up and give you. Don't read same like this alphabets, okay? You have to read everything. For example, mule, see, is this to climb up a hill. This you must know, okay? Now I may write here or anywhere. I'll mix it up. You must know the answer. You learn the answer, okay? Don't learn this C, E, B, F, D, A, okay? That same thing don't learn. You have to learn full answer for this. Got it? Okay, children. Good children. This also you learn. Okay. Good morning, children. Hope you are okay and you are doing your revision. Now continue the workbook 3. Right here, SFO division, block 24, rail transport. Learn and write what time in classroom that is same. I'll show you. Now again block 24, rail transport, from classwork question 1 and 2, workbook S1 page 40, then S3 page 42, reader 152. Now from classwork question 1, what are metro or local trains? Why do we use them? Question 2, what can we see inside a train coach? Workbook S1 page 40. Question 1, full you have to learn and write. Which train is older, A or B? Just write this. No need to draw. If you want, you can draw, but no need. Then second one and the third one. What problem do super fast trains have that old trains did not have? Okay? So this all three you have to learn. Learn and write. S3, page 42. S3, page 42. Question 1, this one. Okay? First question. Reader, page number 152. This full fill in the blanks paragraph. Learn and write.